Hello students, today we will continue our Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 4. We will read today Act 2, Scene 4, page number 71. So, I just want to give you a brief introduction of this scene first. That what does this scene is about? What is the intention of Shakespeare to make this scene? So in the scene, there is to be seen the five: Lorenzo, Graciano, Salerio, Solanio, and Launcelot Gobbo. These five persons or characters we may see in this scene. Okay. The four friends, Lorenzo, Graciano, Salerio, and Solanio, were on the street outside Shylock's house. They had decided to arrange a mask procession on the street with torch bearers. It was one kind of disguised procession. Then Graciano commented that they had no good preparation for it, and Salerio warned then that he had not spoken nothing to the torch bearers about their program. Solanio also warned if there had not been any quality of the procession, there would have a disgraceful order in their names. But Lorenzo was sure that there was no cause of being worried because the time was then 4 o'clock and they had a time of 2 hours to prepare for the procession. On the very point, Lorenzo hinted his friends that he would be able to collect the equipments from Bassanio's house because they were just going to gather in Bassanio's house. So it would be helpful for them to collect those things from their house. It would help them to arrange the procession rather. On the meantime, Launcelot Gobbo arrived where Lorenzo was discussing about their program and delivered a letter from Jessica's side. At present, Graciano commented it would be a love letter. Lorenzo praised the letter written by Jessica. And we will read about the letter in the text. Okay. So then Lorenzo told that he had left the house of Shylock to join the service of Bassanio. Then Lorenzo told that as if Launcelot and Jessica that he must meet with her without fail, and he ordered his friends to arrange the mask procession soon, and told that he would provide a torchbearer. So it was a kind of suspicion to them. So what was that? They were surprised to think about that who might be the torchbearer. So Salerio and Solanio became glad and went away to arrange the mask procession. Okay. So then Lorenzo told them that they would meet with him at Graciano's lodging, that is at his house, within a few hours. Salerio and Solanio, after being exited, Lorenzo was asked by Graciano that if the letter was from Jessica, Lorenzo had admitted the question and told Graciano that Jessica was in love with him and she decided to flee away with him, stealing a lot of gold, money, and jewels from her father's stock. That means from Shylock's house. Okay, so it's quite interesting. This scene is very much interesting to us. Lorenzo became glad with her beauty, describing her as a daughter of heaven. That means a daughter of the god. Because how much beautiful she was, we can imagine that. So she disliked her father, okay, and wanted to marry a Christian and wished to have been converted in Christianity. Lorenzo had a plan for the torchbearer that he would allow fair Jessica in a disguise of a boy as the torchbearer. But Lorenzo felt a fear that if any misfortune had come to happen for Jessica, it would be the very devil, her father Shylock, the cruel Jew, that may plunder their program. So that is all about this scene. Okay, now we are going to read the text line by line with the paraphrase. Okay, so Lorenzo, nay, we will slink away in supper time, disguise us at my lodging, and return all in an hour. So, what I told you, that is true to hear. We will leave quietly and unnoticed at supper time. We shall put on our disguise at my house. That who is saying that? Lorenzo is saying that they will disguise themselves in Lorenzo's house and return in an hour. Now Graciano is telling, we have not made good preparation. According to Graciano, their preparation was not good. Salario, we have not spoke as yet of torchbearers. So they had not discussed yet about the torchbearers. So who might be the torchbearers? It was a custom of that point of time to have a torchbearer in a good event or in a event that is going to be a social kind of event or like that. Okay, you know, in Olympics and in everything, we may see torch bearers. So that is a very old custom. Okay, so Solanio is telling, swile unless it may be quaintly ordered and better in my mind not undertook. So if we are unable to make proper arrangements, in my opinion, the idea should be abandoned. If we don't having any we are going to not having any torch bearer, then we might abandon this idea, we might reject this idea. That would be better for us. Okay, so this was according to Solani. Lorenzo, it is now but 4 o'clock. It is now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us. To furnish us, that means to dress up. Okay, so we have 2 hours to dress up, to make ourselves in disguise. Enter Lancelot with a letter. And that point of time, Lancelot enters with the letter. Friend Lancelot, what's the news? So Lorenzo asked him that what is the news? Lancelot is saying, and it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify. If it pleases you to open this letter, you will get to know. So what is the news? You get to know when you will open this letter. So that is the only way you will be able to understand the news. Lorenzo, I know the hand. I know the hand, in faith it is a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it read on is a fair hand that read. So Lorenzo is praising Jessica here. So he's telling that I recognize this handwriting. This is of Jessica's. So he's telling it is truly a beautiful handwriting, and the hand that wrote it is even fairer than the paper on which it is written. So the hands of Jessica are quite fairer, much fairer than the white paper. Okay, so he is praising about the beauty of Jessica. Now Graciano, love news is in faith. Oh, that means it is a love letter. So he's guessing that. Graciano is guessing the letter which is Lorenzo is having by Lancelot is a love letter. So come to the next page. Now, what is Lancelot saying? Lancelot, by your leave, sir. So Lancelot wants to take leave from them, and that is why he is telling so. Lorenzo, whither goest thou? Where do you want to go? Okay, Lancelot, marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian. So I want to take a farewell from my old master, and I want to join my new master after that in the supper time. So that was the intention. That was the quite good intention of Lancelot. So Lorenzo is saying, hold here, take this. Gives money. That means Lorenzo, who is very happy to receive the letter from Lancelot, and that is why he is giving money to Lancelot. Tell gentle Jessica, I will not fail her. Speak it privately. Go, gentlemen. And he is he's telling Lorenzo, or rather advising Lorenzo, that you have to tell something to Jessica. What? That I will not fail her. What she want to do, I will do that definitely, and say it to her very privately, because Shylock is there. And if Shylock comes to hear the news, he will definitely going to plunder our plan. So that was the intention of Lorenzo. Go, gentlemen, exit Launcelot. And then Launcelot exits. Will you prepare you for this mask tonight? So all of you are ready for the mask. I am provided of a torchbearer. So I got the torchbearer. There was a problem of a torchbearer with them, but instantly he is going to solve the problem. And why it occurred to him? It occurred to him by receiving the letter. When he received the letter, it occurred to him that he might make Jessica the torchbearer. Jessica will elope with Lorenzo in disguise of a page boy. Okay, and when he will come out from the house in the disguise of a page boy, so it will be easy for them to make that page boy their torchbearer. So the problem is solved for them. Okay, so I'm ending up today here. I will continue this in my next class. Okay, thank you.